Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can change graphic settings in Madden 26, like including resolution, quality, texture, and all that kind of stuff. So very first thing you need to do is to just head over to settings at the bottom. And once you select edit settings right here, you need to head over to the last tab, which is for graphics. And just right here, you're gonna see the option for full screen resolution. Right here, you'll able to change the resolution of your screen. Then you'll able to change the window mode to something like borderless window, full screen. So it is up to you, whatever you want to set, you can choose that from here. Then you can choose the frame rate, like if you want to set that on auto, lock to 30 fps, 60 fps, or 120 fps. Then just underneath of that, you will able to see the option for VSync. Here you have the option for HDR, which you can set this on off or auto detect if your monitor supports. Underneath of this, we have the option for rendering quality. You can adjust that too. You can adjust 3D grass, advanced here. If you scroll, you're gonna see the option for quality like mesh quality, texture quality, shadow quality, crowd quality, as well as you have the option for motion blur. And yeah, that's all there is to it. This is how you can change graphic settings in Madden 26. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.